Let's review how to use the cover sheet accordion on our Discover page. Select the Tools section, then the Discover page. Click on the Cover Sheet Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can establish visual ownership by importing your firm-specific logo directly onto the layout using the Upload Logo field. To complement your visual assets, input your case-specific metadata across the three dedicated text fields Line 1, Line 2, and Line 3. As you type, watch the left-hand live preview pane update in real time, displaying your formatted court headers and case captions. You can fine-tune the visual hierarchy of each line using the size dropdowns and color selectors. Compliance is built in. Use the dynamic date configuration dropdown to select standardized options. Once your cover sheet is finalized, you have several options. Download the file, recycle the template, undo changes, or share it via secure links. And that's how you use the LawWiz Cover Sheet accordion.